Hi Jeremy, I've been using my chainsaw and it's got a bit blunt. Do you know of any way that I can sharpen it?
Well, take number 123. Yes, Vernon, I do. In fact, it involves using a grinder set up with a cutting disc because it's very narrow. But if you're a complete beginner at woodworking, seriously, don't try this at home because it does take a very steady hand, but it saves a lot of time taking your chainsaw back to a dealer. What I've got here is the chainsaw set up on a couple of bricks mounted on a toolbox, whatever comes to hand, so that I got it mounted where I can see the blades. The blades alternate, so between my finger and thumb you can see the ones that are facing this way. So I'm going to do those first, and I'm going to mark with a felt tip pen so I know where I started, and then I'm going to rotate the blade round progressively after each cut. It's very important to mount it so you can see it, but I stress again that you really need to know what you're doing. Now it's very important, and I must stress this, that is that the wife calling for dinner?
Yeah.
Take number 17. So you must have your chainsaw firm here, and then I'm going to very carefully position it so that the angle is right, and then literally start grinding and just, I think the term is kiss it slightly. It's really, you've got to imagine in your mind's eye what you're doing with your hands, and that I am controlling the grinder with this metal cutting disc to just dress by kissing the front edge, and all it's doing is it's cutting it back probably by 1/10 of a millimetre to get that lovely sharp edge which will have a slight burr on it, and that will totally resharpen the blade. And what we do is we go around progressively, first of all with the tools in this direction, and then we turn the blade round and do the teeth in the other direction. So take your time over this, but it's probably a lot quicker than taking the chainsaw to a garden centre and having it professionally done. But I must stress, safety comes first. Be very careful using this. This is not for the faint-hearted or beginners. Now there aren't many blades to grind, and I've used this magnifying glass to help me check just by the shininess which ones I've done. You'll find it doesn't take long at all because there's there's only half a dozen or so blades or teeth that need regrinding.
Yeah.
Well, I hope that does the trick, Vernon.
Thanks very much, Jeremy. Let's give it a go. Yes, that is incredible. You are a saviour.
Well, just make sure you subscribe to my channel, please.
Which channel would that be, Jeremy?
Right, take number 2089, because there's an airplane flying. Well, all I ask in return, Vernon, is that you subscribe to my Wood Domain channel.
Your Wood Domain channel? Yes, I shall join it immediately.
Squirrel, do you want to be cameraman?
Well, when you mention that, it's
No, don't. Focus on me. I'm doing these shots, aren't I?
I'll ask you a question.
Because I want to